I'm Rebecca, Queen of Help, and I'm here to show you just how easy it is to manage your helper in your home, making it a happy and hygienic one. I'm a clinical nurse specialist and a Hong Kong mum myself with a 5-year-old, so I know just how challenging it can be to have your home running smoothly, making sure everything's clean, everything's done, and making sure that you have a great relationship with your helper and that they've got the training that they need to have to make sure your home is just fit for a queen. We've all been there. We've come home from work or a long day out and nothing is done. You're thinking, what has my helper been doing? There is food everywhere, the dog's eating the dinner from last night, the washing's still hanging out, the ironing hasn't been done, the beds aren't made, the kids are running riot, the list goes on. We have all heard the stories where we're just not happy with our helper. However, I'm here to say, maybe they just need the right training, and that's where Helper Boot Camp, our one-day workshop, comes to your rescue. In a recent survey we conducted of Hong Kong mums, we found that over 90% said that lack of motivation and lack of training was the #1 issue they had with their help in their home. On top of this, we know that lack of hygiene in the home causes serious infection. Superbugs are a very worrying cause for concern, with the World Health Organization citing it as one of the biggest public health threats in the modern day. This is exactly why we've created Helper Boot Camp, and our one-day workshop is going to equip your helper with all the tools, training and information they need to make sure that your home is hygienic, tidy, organised, and you'll be opening up that door as you walk in at the end of the day, knowing that everything is done, not just clean, but hygienically clean, so you won't have to train your helper again. So how do we do this? Our Helper Bootcamp one-day workshop is very structured and easy to follow. We show your helper exactly what to do and how to do it, whether it be cleaning, laundry or home organisation, we've got it covered. We also have easy to follow housekeeping planners showing your helper when to do each particular item and how long it should take as well. We spend a lot of time on mindset and motivation as we are experts in showing your helper just how important their role is in your home. And in just one day, our workshop will inspire them and show them how to take initiative and pride in their work. We'll also connect all these checklists and housekeeping schedules to a fantastic little app on your smartphone, and this helps track your helper's progress, especially if they're a new helper in your home. And finally, your helper will have an exam, both practical and written, at the end of our one-day workshop, so you can relax and know that your home is clean and fit for a queen. So imagine coming home to a happy, clean, tidy, organised home. Imagine never having to train your helper again. We're really excited that you're considering Helper Boot Camp, and we'd love your helper to join us. We have 4 dates available in March. All of those are currently available. However, we are keeping the numbers very small, so seats are limited. You really do need to book now to secure your helper spot on the one-day Helper Boot Camp workshop. I guarantee you'll be amazed at the transformation of the way your helper performs in your home, following our easy to follow step-by-step plans. And that's my promise to you.